Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and if you're watching me for the very first time, hello. In this channel, I talk about KDP, KDP related strategies, and everything related to passive income, that is KDP. So, if you're interested in such kind of passive income, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are supporting me like from a long period of time, then thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So, what is today's topic? Today's topic is a new niche that I have found for you guys. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to give you some gift, okay, which I had promised before, but right now I am giving before the time, okay. So what is the niche? The niche that I'm going to talk about is manifestation journal 369 method. This is the niche that I'm talking about. Now, what is manifestation journal 369 method? If you are familiar to law of attraction, you might be knowing like what is a 369 method, but just for this video I'm going to explain you a little bit. 369 method is a kind of manifestation law of attraction method in which you try to fulfill your desires by writing your wishes 3 times, then 6 times, and then 9 times. So this is a kind of law of attraction ritual that people does. It is a kind of method. So you can see that this kind of workbook is doing quite good on Amazon currently. And now how I can say that it is doing good, because if you have watched my keywords and my niche videos earlier, you might be knowing that there are two criterias for knowing that a niche or a keyword is good. What is that? First one, the search results should be less than 1000 or equal to 1000. So in that case, it is completely fulfilling our first criteria, that is the search result is 306, right? And what was our second criteria? Second criteria was I look for three books less than or equal to BSR 300,000. Okay, so I got my first criteria right. Now I'm looking for my second criteria. So for that, I already got one book with BSR 137036. That is amazing. The second one is 249548. That is amazing. I've already got two books. Now one more book to go, and here it is. That is 32922. Again 25493. It means it is doing really good. Okay. Now you might be wondering, okay, Priyanka, I got it, like how much money I can make in this niche, right? So let's go with this because it is doing pretty good. And if you're thinking like how I am getting to see this BSR just from like the outer part, it is because of the extension that is called DS Amazon Quick View. It is not available for mobile, it is only available for desktop or PC or laptop, and it is free of cost. So if you will download it, you will pin it, and when you will just move your cursor to the any of the book, you will get to see the BSR up front. Okay, so now let's go and let's check how much money it is making. Okay, so the BSR it has is 32922. So I use one tool for that, that is called TCK Publishing Amazon Book Sales Calculator, and in which we will go into the BSR rank and we will type it. That is 32922. There should be no comma in between, remember that. And then we will choose book, and then we will calculate our sales. Okay, what is it saying? 32922, right? Why it is 32922? Yeah, please match the format. What does it mean? Just a second, please. 32922. Yeah, now it is working good. Okay, we got 1 day sales 9, and the sales per month is 134, and the money in which it is selling is listing price is 799. That means it is making like $2 34 cents per book, uh, I guess. So according to that, it is also making a good amount of money, as we can see, right? So it means there is a probability of making good money in this niche. Now you might be thinking, okay, Priyanka, I got it. Now how does I will go for its keywords? How does I will go for its cover, its interior, and so on? So first of all, let's talk about its interior. Look inside, and you can see that it is just like it is explaining like what is 369, how to do that, and after that it will give you sheets to fill. Okay, now the software, the tool that I use for getting my interiors is Creative Fabrica. I have attached the link in the description box, and if you will use that link, you will get all access for only $1 for a month. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just copy the link that I have, and then I'm gonna go ahead into the new incognito window, and I will paste it and I will enter it. Okay, I am doing it to show you the actual pricing without the subscription. If you will choose the subscription, you will get only for $1 for a month, and you can download everything. Okay, so now let's go and let's type 369 manifestation, and I will show you how much money it would cost you if you'll buy just one. So here it is 369, and you can see it is selling for $2, 90% off, though it will be quite cheap, I guess. It will be cheap as well. So you have to decide like if you are liking the interior or not. If you're not liking it, obviously you should go for the expensive one, but I would suggest that you should go for like 1 month deal. Description is in link is in the description. Okay, you can get it for 40 cents. That is good. So we got the interior right, and never ever forget to edit the interior if you download it from Creative Fabrica. Always remember that. This is my ninja tip for you guys. Okay, now coming to the cover, I have created some videos according for explaining the covers of KDP books, so I'm not going to repeat that. You can go ahead and watch it. I will leave the link in the description. So okay, now cover is done, interior is done, niche is done, pricing is done. Pricing, yeah, important thing, pricing. So you can see that it is selling for $4, also like $5, 13.95, 6.95, 14.89. So I have also done one video uh, according to see how you can fix the prices of your books, how you can compare the books according to the page count and all those things. So I have one video of the pricing as well. So I do not want to make this video quite long, so that's why I'm not going to explain everything over and again. So you can go ahead and watch that video as well. That is the pricing one. Now the main thing where people suffer is the keywords. Okay, so if you are with me from the beginning of my journey, I started this YouTube on 24th of December 2021. And if you are with me from that period of time, then you know that I had promised to you guys that I will give my keywords for you, for keywords to you for free once I will hit 1000, that is 1K subscribers. But the reality is, right now when I'm recording this video, my subscriber count is 592. Okay, not even 600, but that's fine. And because of that, also I am receiving a huge amount of love from you guys on the in the comment section as well, plus in the emails, and I am quite loving it because people are appreciating me so much, and I'm so thankful for you. So considering these things into consideration of mine, I decided that I'm going to give you my keywords of this 369 manifestation from my sheets for free. Yes, you heard me right, because even though I do not have 1K subscribers right now, and my watch time is far away right now, but still, for your love that you give me in the emails, in the comments, this is just a small token of love from you, from me to you. So you can find this keyword list in the description and you can download it from there. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if this video or my any other video even helped you 1%, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, share with your friends, share on social media, and comment, like, do as much support as you can do. And remember, I'm truly grateful for you guys. So yeah, that's all for the day. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.